Yo, what's up guys? My name is Gabi. We are here in the lovely Hagna. So humana name o kaon o mikdu, and then we just parked the car at the police station over here in Hagna, and then we're going somewhere on a boat.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're going to Mindanao.
We're going to Mindanao, guys. So we're gonna get on the boat. Manila.
No, there's no Mindanao.
Ang joke, oy. That would be more than 9 hours. Salamat. Straight, good. Oy. Straight, not left.
I want to Look. Oh, that's tiger.
Oh, that thing's pretty big too. All right, here we are. Salamat. Here we go. Whoops. Thank you, sir. So this is all for us.
Sleep together?
No. You miss your kids and you don't get to sleep by your husband. Okay. Thank you, sir. Huh? Okay, so here's.
Sleep down here later?
Yeah, sure, no problem. How about I sleep on that little couch?
Because we have a plan.
Pillow?
You.
Where's our blankets?
I have one blanket.
Where's mine? Dang
I was
it.
thinking of it.
This is pretty clean though compared to the ones we've been on before.
Yeah.
Way
See, I
cleaner.
only bought one blanket.
Oh,
It's
me,
fine.
good. Maybe you can buy one really fast out there. You know, the cheaper, like, woven ones. Oh my gosh, why didn't I bring the blankets, man? We have a bunch there at the house.
Brian, that's what happened, honey, when you don't help.
I want this aircon area. Oh, I'll just be right here. This would be really tough to sleep right here. I don't think anyone's gonna sleep right here. Look at this. Literally blowing like on my hand here. This dude's gonna be freezing to death. By the time he gets to Mindanao, he's gonna be a popsicle. So yeah, guys, we're stuck here for 9 hours. It's a bigger boat than I thought. It's bigger than our ferry in Ubay. But yeah, actually, it's really clean compared to some of the boats we've been on. Go on the one there in Leyte going to Luzon was incredibly cockroach filled before, but this place is like 9 out of 10 compared to that one. So no, yeah, remember that? They were everywhere, like coming out of the seats. Like I was sitting on, you could every 30 seconds you could see movement.
We have a cord.
No, not a blanket. Uy. Not a blanket. Salamat kayo, sir. He's like, yeah, duh. So what did you expect? Cool.
I didn't
Okay.
expect that.
I'm happy. Me neither. I didn't expect that. Look, not a pillowcase.
Yes.
Wow, 5-star hotel. Oy. Grabe. It's much nicer in Indot sa on this barko kani barko.
Barko. Nindot ning
Don't.
barko.
It was you.
Oh, the
Look
whole
at this,
very different.
mommy. Look at this. Ali, babe. Look at the
It's
bathroom.
okay, Han.
It looks nice.
Okay, Han.
Look at the bathroom, babe.
Okay. Okay.
Look
Look.
now.
Han, I'm comfortable.
I tried to be scary and mean, but it didn't work. But anyway, come on, guys, check out the bathroom. Not bad. Just kind of sucks if you have like some really bad igit or something, and then like that person has to like smell it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, sorry. All right, we're here. Excuse me, I can't even talk. How am I gonna sleep there if you're taking up the whole area?
Here.
I take up lots of the area. You're gonna have to move a little bit.
Oh, you want to sleep away from me?
Okay.
Go ahead if you want.
Go ahead if you want. Always talking smack.
8 hours later.
Okay, it's 5 in the morning. I slept pretty good. So when they were coming to get the tickets, to see if we have tickets, Jolyn said I was snoring, so I think we're here, and we're gonna get off the boat here soon. And we're gonna take a bus over to Davao. They should have the buses there. Mommy wants to sleep still. Unsa? Unsa man? Oh, y'all. Huh? Uy, nagunsa mo, uy. Tugnaw, tugnaw. Uy, tugnaw diha. What, tugnaw? Di.
Ali, di.
Unsa man?
Ali.
Hugot ko?
Look. Na zero ka? Kalugay pa ninyo na zero. Wow!
Where'd it go? You missed it. How did they grab that?
Could have been a 20.
Huh?
20.
20?
Oh, zero lang gihapon at tagana iya na pud ni. Iya na pud kay aron di mo ma-zero. Oh. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Amping guys, amping. Mga agaw. So I just woke up and then mommy just ran into a group of her friends. I mean, a group of our...
Did not flash it?
I didn't because I'm shy. What's going on? How do you know everyone? As soon as we get to Mindanao, mommy knows everyone. Hey. What's up, bro? What's up? So, dire kami sa Disipit. Nisipit. That's what I said, Nisipit. I said Nisipit, didn't I? Yeah, Nasipit, excuse me, Nasipit. Alright, so I'm just finishing my puto or unsaman, I forgot what that's called. I got my Milo. We might be getting a ride here, so sweet. Before embarking on this adventure, we knew that we would have to take the boat and then take the bus. We didn't know that God would put us there at the right place at the right time with Jodelin's family and friends, so we're so happy that there was just only 2 spots left. It's just for us.
Pita, 200 meters. Kampo na.
Dili pa jud mga
Mga Marines.
Mga Marines.
Motive paborito Brian.
Mga Marines. Nag-retire na siya wala.
Kuan, ang dito manggod every 4 years. Pwede ka mo renew 4 years na court. Nara ni mo undang na to.
We're at checkpoint.
Ako ganahan jud kuy nangingani brown safe ba? Hi sir. Morning.
My buntag, sir.
Sir, how are you, sir?
Okay ra.
Where are you going, sir?
Well, sa Davao. Balik me.
Saya lang din.
Oh.
Sige, acting, sir.
Oh, pwede video?
Hi sir, magkulit po.
Kumusta? Hello. Amping. Salamat. Oh, checkpoint, making sure everyone's cool.
Sa Asia. Okay lang. Patuog man ito.
Don't know. So guys, we just stopped and we're gonna get something to eat here at a random eatery. I don't even know where we are. It's like 7 something. I think I fell asleep for a little bit in the car. What are you looking at? Huh? Oh, Ansa na? Manga? Oh, ansa man Indian? Love. Aslam bread. Aslam. Manga. Asa, where'd you guys get it? Over there? Over there. Woo! So we're taking a break here at a friend's house. Asa, where are we?
Santa Sipa.
What he said, Santa Siva. And we got the mango. And we're just having a little break. We're saying hi to family friends here in Santo
Sipa.
Sipa. Sige. And ducks. Mami, you try tamis? One.
Slum.
Aslam or tamis?
Mura na ka, uy.
What do you think? Sweet or sour? Oh, sour. Uh-oh. So guys, we're having some of the Indian mango. We're having a little bit red horse, tagagamay, sabuntag. This is my 3rd shot, so cheers. And we're gonna eat a little bit of Indian mango, and then we're gonna take off here in a little bit. So yeah, inom na ta.
Ayaw pa naggalaw gawa sa kamot.
Okay, we're gonna go over here. Agi me deha. Oh, salamat. It's okay. That's how we do it in the USA.
Ah, ganan.
He said that way. Agi. Wala has? Lo. Wala has. Watch out, don't mess up your shoes. Lapok. I got the Spartan gang. We Spartan gang. Someone. Has. Yeah. Yeah. Watch your shoe. Oh, you got sandals. You're good. Ay, naadi. Ay. Oh, you're right. There's a big river here, dude. Hello, naatao. Fishing. Ligo na ta. Huh? Ansa labog?
Welcome to Lubog.
Itam, lapok.
Oh, lapok.
Like muddy. The Carabao's favorite river.
I'm dead serious, don't peek.
I'm dead serious, don't peek.
Welcome to vlog.
Hello! The end of the world. Wow. Tibangi ko.
Ulog gani.
Hulog?
Basing ulog ka.
Hulog? Yeah, look at that stuff sticking to my face. It's like, what is that? Naashokoy? Wala shukoy.
Wala. Tawar siya.
Wala shukoy. Naa shukoy, diha. Sige. So, mais. Put the mais on there. Cool. Pila ka kani? Pila ka buhok?
Isa.
Ikaw usa?
Out, kwan. 23.
23? Wow. I need to wash my sandals, my Spartans. Tomato, vegetables.
Onion.
Solod sa bangos. Yeah. So we got some zucchini or cucumber, onions, garlic. Asin. Puts the salt inside. Get that taste coming out. Yan. Di ba, kuya?
Okay.
Oh,
Ito si mami niya.
salamat. Kaon na ta.
Oh.
Salamat kayo.
So we got a free ride and a free
We got free ride, free food from the fam. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Salamat sa cook na mo.
Yan. Got a good cook. Yeah. All right. We got the fish here. We got the more fish, and then we got the kinilaw mixed with the pork. That looks really yummy. All mixed kinilaw in there. Yeah. Lots of food.
Ay. Nay, suka dili lami.
Lame, mame?
Halang ite. Dili ayo lang. Ito ra.
What's up, guys? Just sitting here in this hammock, relaxing. Just finished eating. Oh my gosh. And here's my view. Just sitting here under this cool tree. Yum. This is the life. Ano kung sumakas? Help! Ako!
Oh, si Brian daw magkuha.
No, dako! Oh, you want to do it? Oh, you go for it.
Siya lagi.
No, ikaw, it's okay. Sige, dong, go. Oh, hapit na.
Oh,
Hapit na.
na. Ako be. Di man na magkuha. Kung dito nung naipagkipit ko. Ani o, inihan na pirahon. Oh, di ba?
Oh, there you go.
Kaniya.
You hook it around.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. What's that now? Grapefruit? Grapefruit. What do you call this, Tay?
Pumelo.
Pomelo. Oh, yeah.
Pumelo.
Pomelo.
You eat pumelo?
Grapefruit.
Oh. Sa ito ko sila?
Grapefruit. Maybe? No, I think it's a little different than grapefruit. It's pomelo. Morog. It's like a grapefruit. It smells like a grapefruit or an orange. It's very citrusy. Huh? It is a grapefruit? But what's this called? Pomelo? Maybe there's a slight difference.
Tamis dun
Oh, wait, no, yeah, it's a grapefruit. It's a grapefruit.
Tamis dun day.
Is ready to eat.
Pomelo.
You try. Tamis good.
Tamis dude.
Tamis. It's ripe, it's yummy. Okay guys.
Hi guys!
We are taking off. No, fuck. Kuya Dodong, salamat kayo. Nice meeting you. Salamat kayo, ha? Amping. Okay, we're taking off. Salamat, eh. Thank you, Day. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you. If we come to Bohol, do you come to our place too?
Chill.
Oh, maestra ka? Oh, nice. Dire? Din he? Cool, guys. So, okay, we're gonna take off. We're about 2 hours away. We gotta continue down this road. Here's.
Tapos ng puro.
Ang kuan, puro na national dira.
Oh, dito ang pan. Mahina lang. Papo kayo ba?
Ano yan?
Yo. Anzay. Gabi. Ayo. Hello. Pang gabi po. Yo, we got here to Green Street. We are gonna say hi to Mama Rachel. Loy. Sige, finally we're here. Kapoy me. Kapoy kami. And then Loy's gonna give us a massage on our feet.
Ryan, listen. We have a free ride.
Free
because
ride.
We saw our friends there.
At the port.
Yes, thank you for that.
Yeah, we chilled
Yeah, we
there.
were stopping
We're
by.
enjoying. Okay, so we're gonna stay here for a little bit. I gotta charge my battery super low. So yeah, that's our day today. Hello. Hello, where are we? We're somewhere here in Davao City. Secret, huh? And Natchok? YouTube Boulevard. YouTube. Hala, Nindo. Oy. Nindo ang. So guys, we got a basketball court. Check it out. Hello, mga agaw. Let's go. Brad, what's up? Kumusta ka? Kumusta, Brad? Oh, ano ba pangalan, Brad?
Ryan Trahera.
Ha?
Ryan Trahera.
Kumusta ka, Ryan?
Okay lang.
Oh,
Okay lang.
Brad. Balik me.
Oh, balik mo.
Sige. Oh. Hello. Hello.